Hi there! Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will talk about a health-related topic, a low-sodium diet. Yes, they are really important for a healthy body, and to know about them, you have to watch this video completely. In this video, we will tell you the sources of a low-sodium diet, hazards of sodium, and the sources of a sodium diet. This video will provide you the stuff that is needed to get less sodium in your daily diet to stay healthy. But before going into detail about the low-sodium diet, we would like to tell you that our nutrition advice is not the replacement of any professional medical advice, and this video is made for educational purposes only. It will provide you a lot of stuff regarding the mechanics and sources of a low-sodium diet, but it is not a piece of purely medical advice for you. Thereby, if you are facing any kind of serious ailment, then you must consult your nutritionist or medical expert to get professional advice. Now, without wasting a second, let's get started with our video. What are sodium and its disadvantages? Firstly, let's talk about sodium itself. It is a chemical compound that is highly reactive with water, ice, and snow. The most common example of this compound is sodium chloride, natural salt. It is found everywhere in the world due to its huge usage in the medical and cooking fields. It is the sixth most abundant compound found in the Earth's crust. Additionally, it has many disadvantages if it is consumed in high amounts daily. Sodium is a compound of many food items, for instance, white salt. Every human needs to keep the balance in the physical fluid system. Sodium is also necessary for nerve and muscle functioning. Although too much sodium can damage your kidneys and increase the chances of high blood pressure, which may result in brain stroke or heart failure. But the amount of sodium a person consumes in a single day varies from individual to individual and from culture to culture. Some people consume as much as 2 grams per day, while some use as much as 20 grams daily. So, sodium is essential, but it depends upon the environment where you live. Additionally, in case of contact with water, including perspiration, sodium causes the formation of sodium hydroxide fumes, which is highly irritating to the skin, eyes, nose, and throat. It may cause sneezing, coughing, and severe allergy. However, very severe exposures to sodium may result in difficulty breathing, coughing, and chemical bronchitis. Lastly, contact of sodium with ice may result in damage and loss of eyesight permanently. So, you can see it has both good and bad effects, and its use varies from culture to culture. Sources of high sodium diet. There are too many food items available in the market and in food courts that are high in sodium. And it is one research that suggested our mostly health problems occur because quality compromised food items. All the junk foods and fried items in most cafes and hotels are creating serious health problems like heart disease, brain diseases, and stomach issues across the globe. So, we must avoid those foods that are high in sodium or quality compromised. Following are the key sources of sodium that are high in number. Number 1. Natural salt. It is one of the key substances that are high in sodium, and its 1 tablespoon gives you 2,300 milligrams of sodium. So, it is very high in sodium, and you should consume it less per day. Number 2. Fish. It is on number 2 that is very high in terms of sodium. Fishes are found in water and their bodies contain a lot of sodium. Number 3. Salted nuts. It is found in every local market and we love to eat it. But these nuts are high in sodium and damage your health a lot. Number 4. Bread and pizzas. These are at number 4 and contain too much sodium in each slice. However, they are yummy too, but you should avoid them for your better health. Number 5. Canned items. All canned items are found in bakeries and stores have contained too much sodium. So beware of such items and try to consume fresh items instead of using canned one. Sources of low sodium. Now, it is time to tell you which items or foods are beneficial for your health and which one contains low sodium in terms of its ingredients. According to the World Health Organization and the National Institute of Health, 2,300 milligrams is the required amount of sodium for a healthy person to maintain its body functions. But you will be shocked that this amount is consumed when you take just 1 tablespoon of natural salt. So, we must look up the things that we eat every day and must avoid them if they are high in sodium. Following are the key sources that give you less amount of sodium and you can consume them without any danger. Number 1. Fresh meat. It is one of the key food items that give you the right amount of sodium and keep your body's functions active all day. But it happens only when you consume it fresh. So, you can eat any fresh or frozen beef, lamb, pork, poultry, and fish to get less sodium in your diet. Number 2. Seasonal fruits and spices. At number 2, we have fruits and spices. Yes, during their season, you can consume each fruit and spice without any fear because they are low in sodium. Thereby, you can add these spices to cook a portion of yummy food for yourself instead of natural salt. Number 3. Salads and vegetables. Yes, salads and vegetables are the best sources of a low-sodium diet, and if you eat them regularly on a daily basis, then your health graph will increase rapidly. So you must add vegetables and salads to your diet plan to take less amount of sodium. Number 4. Dry peas and beans. They are less in sodium and you can consume a balanced amount for your healthy diet plan. But remember, these items must not be canned, otherwise you will get a high amount of sodium. Number 5. Milk and yogurt. Last but not the least, milk and yogurt are very crucial for your balanced diet. If you consume a cup of yogurt and a glass of milk, then it is enough to maintain your entire health. Because these fresh items are low in sodium and have ingredients that are necessary for your balanced diet. How to plan a low-sodium diet? Yes, it is the final question that is necessary to answer. It is quite difficult to suggest a single diet plan for every person, but we can recommend a principle that can help you make a low-sodium diet plan easily. So, make it done, you need to follow the key instructions that are discussed below. Number 1. Limit your salt in your daily diet, and if you can't add something without heavy salt, then try to add some spices or fruits to your diet to maintain your taste. In this way, you can limit your excessive use of salt and it will make you healthy day by day. Number 2. Avoid breaded items such as bread, sandwiches, rolls, flour tortillas, and wraps. Because all these bakery items contain too much sodium and by consuming them, you offer diseases to attack your body. So you must limit them in your daily diet. Number 3. Avoid the canned food items such as canned soups, entrees, vegetables, pasta and rice mixes, frozen dinners, instant cereal, and rice puddings and gravy sauce mixes. But use frozen meals that contain around 600 milligrams of sodium or less in terms of ingredients. In this way, you can easily limit your daily usage of sodium in your diet, and by avoiding such items, you can easily make a healthy diet plan regarding a low-sodium diet. Number 4. Use less salt and look for seasonal fruits and vegetables to get daily essential ingredients for your healthy body. Be inspired for your diet plan and season your foods with spices, herbs, lemon, garlic, ginger, vinegar, and pepper. Remove the salty items from your table, and this way, you could limit your daily usage of sodium. Number 5. Lastly, but importantly, whenever you buy a canned product or low-sodium item, make sure that you have read its ingredients label and avoid such items that have 400 plus milligrams of sodium. In this way, you can limit sodium in your daily diet easily.